Herbie Dodge, West Islip, Long Island. I bought this car from the original owner's family. It was his son. The original owner took delivery in April of '67, and he was immediately inducted into Vietnam. So the car sat for however long he was in Vietnam, and when he came back, all through the 80s, the car was campaigned up there in Long Island. Went to several shows at Herbie Dodge. Friends of mine that actually were in that area remember seeing this car. And a very special friend of mine on the East Coast gave me some trophies to go with the car from Herbie Dodge in Long Island. And about the nicest thing you could ever do. Just a good friend. So here you go, gang. Date coded 440. You cannot get numbers match in '67. They didn't put they did not put serial numbers on the components yet, but the engine and transmission are date coded, as well as the Dana rear end. This is a 4-speed car, black on black Coronet from Long Island, and I call it the Black Bomber from Long Island because that's just what it is. It's a torque monster. It's basically the beginnings of Chrysler performance as far as muscle cars go. The '67 was debuted in '67. Or I'm sorry, the 440 was debuted in '67. So, and that's why you have basically the Dodge Coronet is the first RT from Dodge. And this was where it all began. And you go over onto the Plymouth side, and what did you have? The Plymouth GTX. Same thing, a Belvedere body with a 440 or a Hemi. Those were the options for the RT Coronet or the GTX for Plymouth. So, all right, gang. Have a beautiful weekend, or what's remaining of it, and have a great week. Thank you. Dodge Garage.